Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Bing ads, and that is keyword research. Yes, you have heard about keyword research most of the time for Google ads, and you will do it through the Google ads keyword planner. But one thing which I want to tell you in this video, Bing ad is also given us a keyword planner tool which will give us the search volume and top of the page widget and other kind of stuff for the keywords that are searches on a Bing search engine. So basically what I'm trying to say is Bing has their own keyword planner which we can use to research some new keywords, and then we can use it for creating a campaign, and accordingly we can generate result for our client or for us as well. So basically in today's video we will do the keyword research through the Bing keyword planner, and without wasting any time, let's dive into the video.
Hello guys, so as you know, today I will teach you like how to do a keyword research with the help of keyword planner which is present in the Bing ads account. If you heard about keyword planner, the first thing that come in mind, that is Google ads keyword planner. Like most of the people use Google ad keyword planner for researching new keywords and then send it to the client for approval and that kind of stuff. But when we run a Bing ad, like Bing campaign, Bing advertisement, we have that option, like we can search the keyword through Bing ads account as well, because Bing ads is a different like search engine that is used by Microsoft. So they have their own keyword planner which give us the exact search volume, exact data, like which keyword is being searched nowadays and how their search volume is, what is the you can say transformation in the last few weeks which keyword has given. So all that stuff will be given by Bing ads as well, because Bing ads have their tool. So that is I have created this video so that you will able to know like Bing also have their own keyword planner which they will use to run advertisement. So as you know, we have different option here to go to the keyword planner. We just need to click on the all tool section. As you can see, it is the last option here, and then you just need to click on that. Once you click on that, you have different options here. As you can see, campaigns, audience, bid, optimized bids and budget, conversion, keywords, ad preview, performance target, content stability, and then the studio type options. I will give you the brief about of this option in the next video as well. So where we need to go right now is keyword, manage keyword and keyword list. So I will click on the keyword one, and then it will take us to the dashboard where we'll have the keyword planner. As you can see, now we are on the keyword planner, and here you can see they are giving us the option search for a new keyword using a phrase or website. So as you know, in Google ads we have two options. We can directly put the website in the in the keyword planner and get some keyword ideas from it, and we have the other one option as that, and that is we can find new keywords through the seed keywords. Like some of the keywords we can add it here, and then Google will provide us a good number of list of keywords that are matching those. So these are the two like options we have in Google as well. So these options are also is in the Bing ads as well. We have the planner as well. So you just need to click on the search button, and then you have the options like product or services, your landing page, which landing page you want to like from which landing page you want to get the keywords, and then you need to keyword in which language, whether it's English, French, Danish, Greek. You can choose it from here, and you can also add some filters on the keywords as well. Like if you want monthly search volume above 100, 200, 300 or 1000, then you can add it here. Suggested bid, if you want the particular bid is under $2, you can add it here. And if you want, you can also add impressions as here, like I want this kind of impression from the search keyword. So you can filter out your keyword which data exactly you want from the keyword panel. That has the option here as well. And you also choose competition. As you know, we have the separate column in keyword planner that is competition, high, medium, low. So if you want low competition keywords, you can choose it from here. If you want medium, then you can choose it from here, and if you want high competition keywords, then you can choose it from here. Okay, so it is the filter. And the third option, which location you want to target, and as you can see they have some options already, but if you want another you can choose it from here. As we will go with Australia, Canada, France because I'm just testing it, so we will choose that. Also with keywords to include, you can write it out some keywords which want you to include the keyword, seed keyword basically. And also you can get the data if you want last 12-month data, or which month, which year, if you want like how that keyword is performing in that particular month. You can choose the date from here, the month from here, so that it will give you the proper information. Like I have used the last 12-month option, so you can choose it here as well. So as my website is this, I just want to add the website here, and as you know, firstly we will do the keyword search to direct into the website. So I will choose website and choose the use the entire website button, because I want to Bing Bing ads to go to my all over website and find some keyword suggestion for me. And as you know, I have already told you what filter doing is. So if you want to make any filter, choose any filter, so you can do it from here. Like I don't want any filter right now, so that's why I'm not choosing it here, but if you want, you can do it from now. Okay, and I have use my entire website option. So I just need to click on the get suggestion button, and once I click on it, as you can see, now we have the option, like we have the keyword suggestion which Google, like Bing think is better for us. They have go to our website and find some of the keywords, and as you can see now we have the search volume, competition, suggested bid. So all the things which we need to target the keywords in the campaign are here right now. So with the help of that, you can do a more detailed keyword search as well, or you can directly use this keyword in your campaign so that you can get results, sales, whatever like goal is you can do it from here. So this is the first method how you can say do a keyword search in a Bing Ads account, like directly putting the website there. But there is another option which we can use, and that is using the you can say seed keyword option. As I have choose the website one. Now I will give Bing the key like seed keywords like car, repair, services. So this is the like you can say seed keywords, car, repair. So I want keywords like this, and the target location is United States. So I want to see like what kind of keyword session is being giving us if I give them the seed keywords like this. So I will just need to click on the get suggestion button, and after that, as you can see, yeah, Bing has given us the options, like you can create an ad group like car repair shop and use these keywords in that. And we have the search volumes as well, we have the suggested bid as well. So all the things are right now here. So now I think you understand how to do a keyword search with the help of a Bing keyword planner. So I want to create this video because I want to give people idea, like it's not Google have only the keyword planner. Bing also give us the option of keyword planner, so we can do whether we run a campaign for Bing ads. So we will do I will suggest you to do the keyword search through the Bing keyword planner. That will give us the accurate data, because we need to advertise on Bing and we need to target the audience on Bing. So we need to use Bing keyword planner there. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any inquiry or concern, you can directly contact us to the number flashing on the screen. Bye bye.